On April 15th, 2014, Nick was involved in a motor vehicle accident on the way to work and became severely injured. It was a horrific injury. He almost died. Medical insurance will only go so far. And with traumatic brain injury in particular, everything they call it, everything experimental or exploratory, and no, we won't cover this, and no, we won't cover that. Once we met with Vuk and Brian, and they reassured us that they would help us to try to make our financial needs met for Nick so that he could get better, as he deserves to get better. It just took this load off my shoulder, and it's like, okay, now I can just concentrate on what do I need to do to help Nick get better. They just got after it. I thought to myself more than once that I am so glad that Vuk's on our side and Brian's on our side, and we're not on the other end of the table.
Not only were they good at what they did, as they got to know us and Nick, it seemed like it was just as personal to them as it was us.